Okay, hi guys, today I will be showing you a Beyblade, wait, this out of the way, nothing suspicious, but today I will be showing you like a Beyblade kind of tournament on like the floor. There's nowhere else to put it. I'll just set up the area and see you there. Okay guys, I'm back and I have set up the room just so a bit of space. Yeah, you can't move the base back a bit more, so alright, let's just get straight into battle, I'm guessing. Just turn you off and quickly magical moves, I'll just make you disappear. Bye bye. Alright guys, I'm just gonna let them in right now. Where are they? There you are. Alright, the ones that the base that I'm going to be using is Tornadoes this time. I will be using Tornado, I think you can see him, but Tornado Leon, Tornado Eagle, Tornado Lacerta, and obviously the Meister. Wait, oh okay, there you go. Alright, here, Tornado Pegasus. 4 bays. It will be Tornado Lacerta versus Tornado Pegasus, Tornado Eagle versus Tornado Leon. These two versus these two. These two are gonna, just play against each other. These two are gonna play against each other, and whoever wins the 3 rounds will I'll do this one first. These Tornado Lacerta and Tornado Pegasus first, and who wins out of 3 will be the winner, and it will be against somebody who will win in this group out of 3. So yeah, it's basically not going to be a draw. It's just going to be a win or a loss. Alright, I'm just going to put them in. Alright, I'm sorry about this mess guys. I've just literally woken up. Alright. So going in first is Tornado Pegasus. Alright, bye bye. He's in. Okay, he's travelling. Okay. Tornado. Alright guys, put them in. First battle of the week. I don't know if you're gonna see this. There's Tornado Lacerta, there's Tornado Pegasus. There we go. There he is. That's a beautiful one. And there he is. Am I just covering you? Yeah, there he is. Alright, well, seems like it's not going to be a big battle, so I'll just quickly restart these two in the arena. Yeah, no, I'll change of plans. Alright. These two are going to be in the arena, and I have to work out something to do. Okay, guys. Oh, wait, I got a plan. Alright, there you go. Yeah. This isn't going to go too far on YouTube. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I'm guessing that I'm, hurrying with this, because I don't know what's the time. It's 9 o'clock in England, Canterbury. So it's basically quite late. Alright, Tornado Lacerta in. Now just Tornado Pegasus. Alright, there you go. These two are battling. Alright, he's trapped in a circle. No, he got out. As he's the best. Who is that? That is Tornado Lacerta. Okay, bring in round number 2. JK fingers. And if I will be able to, I will do a vlog, maybe kind of thing. My brother keeps on saying Like, don't do YouTube, you're not gonna get far. Who knows? Oh boy. Oh yeah, and you guys have been asking me to do questions. So I'll do a Q&A. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, would you rather? Maybe like that. Don't know, man. Might do one straight after this video. Tornado Lacerta. Again. Okay. So basically, Tornado Lacerta is the winner. But you know, Tornado Pegasus might get the win. Now, who knows? Alright, stadium out. Tornado Pegasus won. Yeah, I didn't show you that battle. That was a quick one, I'm sorry. Stadium out. Go quick. Okay, so Tornado Lacerta has won both of the battles, so I'm getting Tornado Pegasus. I'll get this. This is gonna go in. Fuck's sake. Alright, I'm sorry. Oh boy. Okay. Tornado Leon versus Tornado Eagle. Let's go dash. Oh boy, I'm scared. You know what? I'll do two launches. Oh, there it is. Does it go in your batteries, right? Yeah, it does. Alright, Tornado Leon. That moved the stadium a bit, but okay. Okay, there's a quick battle here. Alright, Tornado Leon won. I mean, lost. What the hell am I talking about, man? I'm goddamn crazy. Alright. Going first. Haha. Yep, okay, Tornado Leon. So it's 1-1. Whoever wins this battle is the winner. Alright, let's go. Tornado Leon, sick. It's gonna be the best battle ever. Alright, if you go Tornado Eagle. Okay, Tornado. So this is the final round, right? This is gonna have only one round. So whoever wins is the winner. It's gonna go really wrong. Oh my god, I was just doing this launch. Sorry. Winner is, oh my god, it's Tornado Lacerta. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. It's just pretty bad. It's quite long. It's 9 minutes and nearly 10 minutes. But I'm sorry. I'm really like I can't do it too fast. But if you check out my other videos, please subscribe, like this video, comment on it if you liked it or not. I don't know what questions I should do. I'm gonna do one straight after this video, so it's gonna be 2 in 1 basically, but not actually 2 in 1. You get the point, right? Okay, maybe not then. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'm guessing I'll see you in a second. So, bye bye. Alright, I totally didn't click that.